Hey SpongeBob, how do all oceans say hello to each other?
How do oceans say hello? I don't know if oceans can do that, Patrick. Okay, what is it?
They wave.
That's so funny, Patrick. Hey, Patrick, what's yellow and has holes in it? Sponge, like me. Bah, bah, bah. I'm so excited for the 20th anniversary line of toys, and now we're gonna go back to Keelan. Have fun, Keelan. Bye. Bye. Now let's open up the slime. So, I'm excited about this one. So these boxes are pretty cool. So I got one open. I mean, I really like slime. Comment down below if you like any slime. Like, do you like guava juice slime, Spongebob slime, and these available at Target. Whoa! So I'm gonna open up the one I opened before, this one. So I got a gold Spongebob right here. Is this metal? No, it's not metal. But I got the gold Spongebob. Yes! Yeah, that means it's rare. So, where's the slime? Oh, here's the slime. Here. I really like slime. Oh! So you put slime in here, and then when you close it, slime will come out. Oh, that's cool. So set that right there so I know it came with that slime. Woo! I got regular Spongebob. So let me open up a slime and we're gonna see how good it works. I'm really curious about this because it's like really gooey slime. I actually like it now. This is good. Wait. This is how I play with the slime. So you put the slime right into the body, just like this. And then when you put the slime in the body, and then when you close it, it's supposed to look like it, like I had slime in it. So, let's see. Ready, set, ew, 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 ew. See, look. Ew, ew, ew. It's like a pimple popper. Yeah, that's a lot of bad stuff coming out. Oh, there's still a lot more. And then just put everything back. I'm gonna try it again. Ready, set, go. Oh. Okay, I got the same character, so I'm gonna move on to the next one. I better, if it's gonna be a gold one, man. Patrick! I got Patrick this time. I'm gonna do this one with slime. It's because I never tried Patrick. And it'll be super cool. But I'm gonna put a little bit more for him. It's because he's bigger. SpongeBob. Okay, almost got it. It's in there. Okay, ready? Go. Oh! 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 No. Imagine if you said, yeah. Yeah. a shower? No, Patrick. No. Ew. Oh. Ew. Let's take it out. Let's see how much slime is left. Like the whole thing came out. I'm gonna open up all the slimes. And I'm gonna like mix them all up. And then I'm gonna play with that. So, yes, 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 yes. Oh, yeah. Look at this. No, this is a rainbow, a whole bunch of. Look how big that puddle is. It's pretty cool. It's because it's like slimy. It's not as sticky. So like my hands are still dry. And you can just grab it easily and then it won't fall off too much. So if you like slime, I think this will be really good for you. And if you like SpongeBob, I like SpongeBob. Yeah. So it's pretty much super fun to play with. Well, thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn notifications. Please give us a big thumbs up.